Okay, so we've gone through the website, the tedxgympie website, and we've looked at it from the point of view of design and also function, and that has been driven by its goals, and those goals have been very clear, clearly communicated as well to the website designer and the visual designer. And we've also looked at the navigation system. Then we went on to the social media tools that have been incorporated into the overall marketing campaign. And we've also looked at the blog and how that fits into the picture and how important that is for everything else to work well. Now, finally, we'll finish off with looking at the difference between website design and website content management. Because what we really want is for the client, the people who are responsible for the content, to not be distracted by having to set up a menu system or look at making sure that these recent posts appear on the right hand side and the recent comments appear underneath that, and worrying about the choice of fonts and white space and the colors, for example. We want them to be able to just concentrate on the content, and particularly on making it easy to write new blog articles. Okay, and also, where necessary, make changes that that might be necessary where errors have occurred, and where things might have needed to be updated. So website design is best done by a website designer in conjunction with a visual designer. And the design, or rather the choice of the content management system, makes it easy for the client then to update content. Now, the content management system chosen for tedxgympie is WordPress. And it is one of 2 or possibly 3 leading content management systems in use at the moment. So WordPress makes things easy by allowing you to define users and give them different roles. So, for example, people can be contributors, and people can be, let's see if I can find another one, administrators. And people can be subscribers, and see if I can find it, and people can be an author, and these mean different things. They provide different levels of access and permissions into the website. But the most important one, arguably, is allowing people to control the content. And so here I can create a new post, or I can create a new page, and these are the 2 most used features here. But if I were logged in as an author, I would only be given a new post and a new page. I wouldn't be given, for example, user management capabilities. So having logged in with the appropriate capabilities, and then browsing to a page, you will have the option of being able to edit that page. So now I'm not going to muck about with the front page. Let's go to something that's a bit safer, the About page. Okay, so you can see there's an edit link there and there's an edit link there. And that allows me to edit the text. So let's just say that I wanted to make that a hyphenated compound word there, volunteer run. So I can just do that. I'm not going to go into details about how this works, but I just wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to do. So here we are, we have an editor. I can change various aspects, but there's that bit of text that I wanted to change. Put the cursor in there, and that's done, and now I just press update. And so you can appreciate this is relatively easy to teach to a client. And it allows a client to look after their content themselves, and that's really important. They need to be able to do that. It's more cost effective, it's more appropriate that people look after their own content. So that's how easy it is to edit a page. And creating a new post on the blog is done similarly. But I'll use this menu up here to add a new post. And I won't go through all this process, I just want to demonstrate how easy it is to do. So here again, the editor comes up, hasn't quite finished loading yet. Okay, there we are. So we just enter the title, we put some text in there, we use this little tool here to upload an image, place it, then we can either save it in draft form, preview it, or publish it. And that's all there is to it, really. So the content management system makes it easy for non-website designers to manage the content. So you can think of the website as delivered by a set of tools, and the framework that delivers it is called WordPress, which is the content management system. Then the website designer and the visual designer create the color scheme and the fonts and the header structure here and the menus, and the various static pages are usually set up with their help. But as far as managing the blog is concerned, the site owner, the client, can actually create new posts and edit them, and should they need to, they can also edit static pages as well. So that's the best of all worlds. That's content management as opposed to website design.